To clean the .50 caliber, install the obstruction remover on one end of the rod and the slotted tip on the other end of the rod. Insert the tip into a slot on the patch, pinch at the longest distance, run the pinch back through the slot. This will make the ideal .50 caliber cleaning patch. Insert the cleaning rod into the chamber. Add a few drops of solvent to the front end of the patch. Turn the cleaning rod in a clockwise direction, cleaning the chamber, the shoulder, the neck, and then just pull that powder residue out in the direction of the bullet, always away from the clean chamber and receiver. The procedure is to run a patch with solvent, then run the bore brush. The brushes are contained in the back of the cleaning system. Insert the cleaning rod at the chamber. Turn the brush clockwise, cleaning the neck, cleaning the shoulder, and pull the brush out in the direction of the bullet, always away from the clean chamber and receiver. Now we will reinstall the slotted tip and run a fresh, dry patch down the barrel. We want to use a fresh, dry patch because we don't want the powder residue and dirt that came from the muzzle to get tracked back into the neck. So we move on to one of the other 6 cleaning positions and make the exact size swab for a .50 caliber. Reinsert the rod in the chamber. Turn the patch. Clean the chamber, the shoulder, the neck, and just mop out that powder residue, and the patches come out dirty. That means we'll repeat the procedure. We'll run the patch again with solvent, the brush, and then a patch until it comes out clean. Now that we've used the solvent and the patch on the bore, we're going to clean the chamber. Install the obstruction remover T-handle combination on the end of the 8-inch cleaning rod. Put the T-handle in the cross-drilled hole. Take the chamber brush. It's in a protective plastic tube. Install on the end of the chamber rod. Insert the chamber rod into the chamber. Turning the chamber rod, it will clean the chamber and the shoulder. Now we will reinstall our cleaning rod and run a fresh dry patch down the barrel. Now we can move on to one of the clean positions on the patch. And this will mop out the powder residue and solvent that's in the chamber and the bore. Turn the rod, that turns the patch to clean the chamber, clean the shoulder, clean the neck, and just pull that powder residue out in the natural direction of the bullet. If the patch comes out clean, we're done cleaning. However, because the patch still has residue on it, we'll run the patch again, the brush, and then a dry patch. Now we're going to clean the bolt. Assemble the brush on one end of the handle and the brass scraper on the other end. The scraper is used to scrape the carbon from the slides and the bolt face. The brush is used to clean those areas of the carbon that we've scraped off. It's also used to lubricate the slides. You can put 2 or 3 drops of oil on the slides and paint it on the slides.